feel it tingling. Ooh. Sorry, one more for the road.
And then I was like, fuck all this. And so I stopped drinking coffee. The first 2 days were kind of rough. And then after that, like I went to Florida, so it's 2 hours ahead.
Je vais vrotter dessus. N'écoute pas JJ3. Attendez, je vais vous vrotter dessus. Je suis mal à l'aise des pépés.
Excuse me.
I can't help it.
Excuse me. So that guy was stuck. I should chug it.
Yeah, you should.
Excuse me. Oh my god. Oké. Slaap lekker. Niet voor betaald, oké? Up next.
Wow.
Nu dus tegen doen. De laten showen. Waarom wordt er zoveel tweede? Ik weet niet of ik je wilt.